Balance sheet. Sounds like something only accountants care about. Boring. Complicated. Who needs it? But here's the truth, you already have one. You just don't know it. And that one simple thing determines whether you retire rich or work forever. Today, I'll show you what a balance sheet really is, using real-life examples. No jargon. No confusion. Just clarity. A balance sheet is just three things. Assets. Liabilities. Net worth. Assets are what you own that has value. Liabilities are what you owe. Net worth is what's actually yours. If you sold everything you own and paid off everything you owe, whatever is left, that's your net worth. That's your real financial score. Not your salary. Not your lifestyle. Let's make this real. Meet Rahul. He's 25. He has 50,000 Indian rupees in savings, a laptop worth 30,000 Indian rupees, and a bike worth 40,000 Indian rupees. Total assets, 1.2 Indian rupees lakh. He owes 30,000 Indian rupees on his bike loan and 10,000 Indian rupees on his credit card. Total liabilities, 40,000 Indian rupees. So his net worth? 80,000 Indian rupees. Not bad. But here's the problem, his bike is losing value every year. His loan isn't. If he keeps buying depreciating things on EMI, his net worth will struggle to grow. Now meet Priya. She's 40. She owns a house worth 80 Indian rupees lakh, a car worth 8 Indian rupees lakh, investments worth 15 Indian rupees lakh, and savings of 2 Indian rupees lakh. Total assets, 1.05 Indian rupees crore. She has a home loan of 50 Indian rupees lakh, a car loan of 3 Indian rupees lakh, and a personal loan of 2 Indian rupees lakh. Total liabilities, 55 Indian rupees lakh. Her net worth? 50 Indian rupees lakh. Sounds good, right? But here's the catch, her house doesn't generate income. Her loans are draining cash every month. If her income stops, the entire structure becomes fragile. Now here's where most people get fooled. Let's compare two people. Person A drives a 30 Indian rupees lakh car, owns luxury items worth 10 Indian rupees lakh, but has 30 Indian rupees lakh in loans and 5 Indian rupees lakh in credit card debt. Net worth? 10 Indian rupees lakh. Person B drives a simple car, but owns 40 Indian rupees lakh in investments, a rental property worth 60 Indian rupees lakh, and has 30 Indian rupees lakh in debt. Net worth? 75 Indian rupees lakh. One looks rich. The other is rich. The balance sheet never lies. Now here's the best part, you can create your own balance sheet tonight. Take a paper. Draw a line in the middle. On the left, write everything you own, bank balance, investments, gold, property, even your bike at current value. On the right, write everything you owe, loans, credit cards, borrowed money. Subtract. That number is your net worth. That's your real position in life. And once you see it, the path becomes clear. Increase assets, things that grow or generate income. Reduce bad liabilities, especially high-interest debt. Stop buying things that lose value on loans. And remember, some liabilities cost you freedom, not just money. A balance sheet isn't for companies. It's for anyone who wants control over their life. You can't fix what you don't measure. So do it today. Because once you see your numbers clearly, you stop guessing and start growing.